In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to change button color styles. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to adjust so your buttons match your brand and stay readable across your site. Start by opening your website in Squarespace and enter the page editor. Look for the Edit button at the top of your site and click it to switch into editing mode. From here, open your styling controls. You'll see a highlighted option for your site's styles and colors. Go ahead and select that to bring up the Design panel. Within the Design panel, open your color settings and choose Edit Palette. This is where Squarespace centralizes the colors used throughout your template, including the colors that power your button styles. You'll see a set of color swatches. Each swatch represents a key role in your design, like backgrounds, text, accents, and the colors assigned to buttons. Click the highlighted swatches one at a time to adjust them. When you select a swatch, you can drag the color picker, fine-tune the hue and saturation, or paste a specific hex value if you have brand guidelines. As you change a swatch, keep an eye on the live preview. Buttons update instantly, so you'll see how your new choices play out across different sections. If your site uses both primary and secondary buttons, they typically draw from different swatches in the palette. A good approach is to give your primary button a strong brand color for the background and a clear, high-contrast text color. For secondary buttons, consider a lighter or more neutral background paired with darker text so it looks intentional but less dominant. Aim for strong contrast so your buttons are accessible and easy to read. A simple rule of thumb is to make sure the button text still pops on both light and dark sections. If a color feels too bold or too muted, click back into the swatch and refine it. Small adjustments can make a big difference. If you know your hex codes, paste them directly for consistency across your site and other platforms. Work through each highlighted swatch in the palette editor until the buttons in your preview look the way you want. Take a moment to scan a few sections in the preview for consistency. When you're happy with the results, click Save. Those changes will apply site-wide, so your buttons will look consistent on every page. That's it. Your button color styles are now updated using your site's color palette, clean, cohesive, and on brand.